DFP just doing generally turning parts, mini parts, sheet metal. Now, why not? Let's have a look. So, this is one of our customer's machine frame. In total, have 7 pieces. What we did for this? We did welding by raw material, welding. After welding, we do the heat treatment to release the stress. Then we go to take a CNC finishing it. Now, we here are doing some cleanliness, small finishes. Then photo coating. So I can use a short video to express what we can do. So you can visit our website to find more details. Okay, this is the Peter who comes from DFP. Thank you.